Hello and welcome. It's time for 5 minutes to great gadgets. Well, today's product really sucks, and I mean that in a good way. It is the Ecovacs Deebot N79s Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This robotic vacuum is programmable. It features both a smart app for your phone and a remote control. Some of its great features: it has edge and collision sensors, so it won't go off your staircase, and it knows how to avoid objects. It also has 4 different cleaning modes, including edge cleaning, full room cleaning, spot cleaning, and a power boost feature for heavily soiled areas. The N79s is also Alexa enabled, meaning that you can use voice activation to start your cleaning. Here's a short time lapse of unboxing. You'll get an idea of what comes in the box and how it arrives. The charging dock, power supply, and remote control are all visible. Underneath that, you'll notice that the sweeping brushes are located there. This is a bottom side view with the sweeping brushes attached. The main brush is easily removed for cleaning by releasing the 2 tabs on the plate that holds it in place. The dustbin is very easy to remove and simple to clean. If you empty the dustbin often and clean the filter, you shouldn't have to replace the HEPA filter very often. The included remote allows you to perform all of the same functions you could do with the Smart app. However, programming and scheduling your cleaning times is much easier using the Smart app on your phone. There's even an option to find out how much life is left on your brushes and your filters. It may seem like nothing is going to get clean with those random patterns, but somehow it doesn't miss any spots. If you're concerned that it might miss a spot, you can always use the remote to guide it to the position you want to vacuum. It does a great job of going around obstacles. Even table legs are no problem for the Deebot N79s. Getting the edges in your hallway is no problem with the Deebot. It actually does a better job than most vacuum cleaners. When you're ready to start cleaning, just ask Alexa.
Alexa, ask Deebot to start cleaning.
Okay, now your Deebot is clean.
In reality, the Deebot is very quiet. It's maybe a quarter of the volume of a normal vacuum cleaner. Ecovacs recommends placing the charging base against a wall in an area about 3 feet wide. Aside from my hallway, I really don't have an area 3 feet wide without obstructions that I can place this. That could be a problem for you as well, so keep that in mind. I prefer to start my cleaning sessions manually and have yet to set up a schedule. I did quite a bit of research before deciding to purchase the Ecovacs Deebot N79. The week that I was preparing to make my purchase, the N79s appeared, the only difference being a slightly longer battery life, the power boost feature, and the ability to control it with Alexa. The ratings on Amazon for the N79s were very good, so I didn't hesitate, considering this was pretty much the same model with a few extra features. I'll also include a link to the Amazon product page in the show notes. You may have seen the price listed at $250 on Amazon, but if you watch the prices, they tend to fluctuate every other week. Sometimes you can get it for as low as $199. At the time of this video's publication, they are offering a $30 digital coupon, which brings the price down to $220. Many of the users who've purchased this product have owned other robotic vacuums in the past, and they all say that this is just as good, if not better, than some of the big names such as maybe Roomba, Neato, or Samsung. And lastly, for one of the big questions that I'm sure you're wondering, is this something I need? Am I going to use it? Is it going to replace my vacuum? Is it going to change my life? This is not going to replace your regular vacuum. What this is going to do is fill in so that you don't have to vacuum twice a week. Maybe even every other week would be enough. This is going to take care of that light dusting in between and make sure that your house appears clean in between your deep cleanings. The N79s works best on hardwood floors and thin carpeting such as carpet runners. I have laminate floors and linoleum throughout my house, so I haven't tried this on thicker carpeting. The N79s connects to your network via a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. Battery life is about an hour and 45 minutes. There's one thing I forgot to mention or show a picture of, and that's the cleaning tool that allows you to clean the brushes and remove hair from the roller. As always, I'll put links in the show notes, and now it's time to make the magic happen. Please, if you like this video, click the thumbs up, give it a big like, and don't forget to subscribe to watch future episodes.